Sunday, the Colts and Texans renewed their rivalry for the 2018 season. The Texans come in here struggling at 0-3, and they only have 7 all-time wins against the Indianapolis Colts. The Colts come in here after losing a close one last week to the Philadelphia Eagles, as they are 1-2 on the season so far. A win would give them 2 divisional wins on the year and put them back at 500. The 2 divisional wins could prove pivotal late in the season as they fight for the division race for the playoff. The Texans would jump out in this game to an early lead and would continue first half dominance, as at halftime they would lead 21-7. But Andrew Luck and the Colts would have something to say about that as they started a second half comeback, and that's what we'll start in the third quarter. First and 10, Colts at the Texans' 14-yard line. Luck drops back. He's going to lob a ball up to Nyheim Hines, who makes a jumping catch for an Indy touchdown. Adam Vinatieri would tack on the extra point, with the Colts now just down 11. Midway through the fourth quarter, Andrew Luck driving the Colts down the field. Second and 10, he's going to drop back and fire a ball to Zach Pascal, who makes a great catch, takes a hard hit on the play, but that's a first down. That sets up the very next play. Luck drops back, lobs the ball up to Ebron for a Colts touchdown. That would give them 6. They would go for 2, but they would be unsuccessful. Late in the fourth quarter, down 8. Luck drops back. He steps up in the pocket, fires Nyheim Hines, touchdown, and that sets up the very next play. Luck going for 2, drops back, fires Chester Rogers. The 2-point conversion is successful, but Deshaun Watson would set up the Texans for a 59-yard Fairbairn field goal attempt. It is no good, so this sends the game to overtime. Late in OT, 4th and 4, Luck drops back, fires Chester Rogers. The pass is incomplete. Texans take over, turnover on downs. Deshaun Watson fires DeAndre Hopkins over the middle of the field, who had a big day today, 169 receiving yards. That play sets up the 37-yard game winner by Kaimi Fairbairn. The Texans get the win, 37-34. Texans notched their first win of the season today and only their 8th all-time win against the Colts. This was the highest scoring game in this rivalry with a combined score of 71 points. Andrew Luck was a huge factor in that, as he threw a Colts franchise record 62 times. He also threw for 464 yards and 4 touchdowns, but it just wasn't enough for the Colts as their struggles continue as they drop to 1-3 on the season.